Okay, good afternoon. My name is Agrace Sinaga. I'm from International Relations majoring. In this afternoon, I will share a story about my daily activity. Okay, I am study from Monday to Thursday. Every day I go to campus using public transportation. I usually wake up early at 5:30 a.m. every day, and after taking a shower, I get dressed. After that, I have breakfast 6:45 a.m. and every day I leave for campus at 7 a.m. and arrive at campus around 7:30 a.m. and on campus I attend lecture according to the schedule that has been determined. After class, my friend and I usually eat the campus cafeteria almost every day. My friend and I also visit the library to look for reference or have discussion. In the afternoon, I return to my boarding house and usually cook dinner after eating and continue to work on assignment or read books related to lecture. Every day at 7 p.m. I contact my parents via video call or phone to tell them about my daily life on campus or just to exchange news. And every Thursday I do not go to campus because I have online class. Before the online class start I will cook for breakfast. After my class is over, I will wash my clothes. I do this almost every Thursday, and next day every day I will always clean up my boarding room to make it look neat and comfortable, and don't forget to iron my clothes. And every weekend I spend my time watching Korean series, visiting the movie, or occasionally visiting interesting place around the city with my friend. And every Sunday I go to church with my brother, and after church I visit place to eat or hang out. And every night after eating I study either general knowledge or about my lecture. And every night I check the LMS or ICE to make sure even done my assignment. Usually before going to bed I pray for the first. Thank you.